What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this bomb braid out. So if you guys would like to know how I got this braid out, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm starting off on blow dried hair, and I just sectioned my hair. And today I'm going to be creating a middle part with my braid out. And I also created a section in the back in the middle, as you can see, just so I can make sure I don't have that annoying middle part when I go to separate and take down my hair. Alright, so today I'm going to use my yall Organics Rosemary Mint Daily Styling Cream. And this will be the only styling product that I will use. And I'm going to first start by sectioning my hair off again to a smaller section. And I'm going to be doing relatively small braids. So I'm going to spray it with water just a little bit, just to get it a little damp so the product can have something to stick to. And then I take my dimming brush, go through and detangle that section. And then I take a generous amount of that product and I apply it to the section, making sure I smooth it in. And I'm going to go back in with the dimming brush just to make sure I have coated every strand of hair. And then I'm going to start braiding. Alright, and I'm going to continue the same thing on all sections. So taking my spray bottle, I'm going to spray that section just to get it a little damp. And then I'm going to take a dime size amount of the product and apply it. I'm going to brush it through and then I'm going to start the braid. Now I'm just going to let you guys watch and I'll be right back. Okay, and this is what my hair looks like once I'm done braiding. As you can see, my braids are small. Alright, and this is the next day. Well, actually, this is 2 days later. So I'm going to take my yall Organics Rosemary and Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil, and I'm just going to apply that directly to my scalp. But yeah, this is 2 days later. I got lazy and decided to wait an extra day to take down my braids. So yeah. Okay, and now I'm gonna start unraveling the braids, making sure I take my time with it. Now this clip is not sped up. This is real time of me taking down my braids, taking down that braid. Alright, so once I'm done taking down my braids, I'm just going to go back through and start to separate even more. Now, usually when I'm doing like a twist out or something, I always make sure I coat my fingers with oil to reduce frizz. But with my braid outs, I don't really like to use oil to coat my fingers because I like a little bit, I like a lot of frizz with my braid outs because I get more volume. And that's really what I'm looking for when I do my braid outs, more volume than definition. So I'm not going to use any oil on my fingers. Plus I already used oil on my scalp, so alright, so now I'm gonna take my pick and I'm gonna pick the shit out of this braid out. Okay? Alright, so now I'm going to take my Style Factor Edge Booster Gel. Well, this is not gel. This is the Edge Control. And I'm going to swoop-de-doop-de-doop these edges. Alright guys, so this is my finished product. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit that like button, and also comment down below letting me know how you think I did on this braid out. I think it came out really nice. And also, if you're not subscribed, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you hit that little bell button so you never miss when I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.